He's down on the floor again. Now what are you doing? Tell us all about it, Richard. Are you telling me my shock absorber's burst? It's all part of routine maintenance. You sure that's not wax oil?
I just say all in there. Dripping out, empty now.
Empty?
No oil left in it.
I'll just put some engine oil in it or something. Wow.
VP90.
Well, Spax, I'm disappointed in you.
To be fair, it's probably the front springs that's done
Right, okay. Wiring harness comes out. Wiring harness move out. Wiring harness move out. Let's go and see how it sits, because Richard has now put it back on its wheels. Are you happy about how it sits now compared
Yeah, it's like Ruby now.
Okay.
Ruby.
In terms of, it's just level.
Just
Ooh, yeah. Now then, what a fix. Shall we roll this out across the fleets? Should Swampy get this treatment? He wasn't happy with that side, so he's gone on to this side. I'm going to show you some tools that we're using once I've turned the radio down. Cher is doing a vocoder singing. I'm going to turn that down while we talk you through the tools needed to do your front spring change. We'll be right back. Oh, left hand side, yes, I like that organisation skills. I do like that. Okay everybody, we have nearly rebuilt the Loom. I now model it for you and finish off with my new superb Loom handling frame, which is me. And we wear the Loom to finish the Loom. So I've just gone round with a Loom tape. Normally Richard's been holding this tense for me, the muscles from Brussels, rippling away, pulling on the cord. I was going to say tugging away, but we might get the wrong idea.
That's my jacket.
Well, here's the weapon of choice. Panda. A reliable little unit, compact, cheap to run, cheap to work on. A beautiful little car. Absolutely. That's Richard's sport of Fern. And he's in here getting himself a sandwich. Watch out for that meat cleaver there. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Hey? What? Yeah. Didn't know they had any Walker's crisps left. Cheese and onion and what? How many cheese and onions? Plain? You mean aircraft? Cheese and onion. There are no plain, darling.
Oh yeah, not Walker's, the other one.
Oh, Seabrooks, we can't have that.
Yeah, I have got some Walker's stashed on there, however.
I've come to check out the tarts and pies. So we've got where's the Manchester tarts? Oh, they're back in the nightclub. I've a vanilla slice. Look at that.
Look at that.
Now that's going to make people hungry on a Friday night. I could wolf that one down. Are these very large egg custards?
They're lovely.
What's that pie? What's that pie there?
Shit, one's pants.
What's that pie there? That,
Chicken shrimp.
no,
Tatty.
that's
Cake.
the cake.
Trifle.
Oh yeah, I was going to say it's trifle. Where's the Manchester tart?
I would have sold that.
Oh, it's the only reason I came because I fancied the Manchester tart.
Do you know what you call that? Unlucky.
I don't. You don't call that a bad night out. How about a shortbread? Can I have a shortbread? No, I'm not filming you. I'm filming the cakes. I'm going to have a shortbread and dunk it. You see, that Eccles cake's too big to dunk. It's huge. Too big to dunk. So that's dunkable. Are they Christmas?
I just need to throw them steaks in them pants.
Emily, are they Christmas trees? Are they supposed?
Are meant to be
They
Christmas
don't look
trees,
like Christmas
or
trees to me.
They're slightly deformed.
So that means they're cheaper. Oh, that's just not right. Look, there's no. What is it? It's mutated.
Well, go for it, yeah? Yeah, please.
Emily, have you any crab sticks?
I've got that.
What is it? Crab.
Crab sticks.
Did you know that crab sticks don't contain any crab. And they're now not legally allowed to sell them as crab. That's right, you see. I noticed Kit Kat have... Yeah, that's what I know. I noticed Kit Kat have changed the colour of the pack to darker red there. Trading Standards disaster. The deformed Christmas tree shortbread has severed or broken, fractured in my hand before I even got it to dunk. I don't even think it will dunk. It's breaking apart. It's not. It's breaking to bits. It's just pastry. Something's gone wrong. My Christmas tree shortbread. It's a disaster. What? Gone. These are rejects. It's a long time since I've seen one of these. In this case, it's a made by sugar free, so they'll not be the same as school. A blackcurrant flavoured soft drink with sweetness, so obviously they're going to use aspartame, I would have thought, and there it is, aspartame and saccharin. Saccharin? Well, it's not got a manufacturer's codes on it. No manufacturer's called Big Time, that must be the brand. 200ml then. Not quite 200ml, is it there? April 22, so we're in date. Recyclable plastic, a polycarbonate, probably what, 5.5mm thickness there, fully collapsible. However, the point is this: at school, this is what we used to do, and you still do it with the new polycarbonates.